What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, I'm back with another Stock Talk video. For today's Stock Talk video, we are going to be talking about the stock AMC. AMC, if you don't know already, is one of our biggest meme stocks we've recently had that got squeezed all the way up to $72 up here. Has since pulled back, okay, and now is trading inside of this channel right here. And this channel is looking very interesting for a bullish pattern setup. We're going to be discussing why it's looking bullish right now, why it's up 7% of the day, and whether or not you should be buying AMC and going along with it right now. This is definitely a stock that I want you guys to keep watching for. This has been a meme stock in the past. There's a lot of hype into this one, so when it gets going, it starts to take off. But guys, if you are new here, don't forget to click the links down below in the description to join my Discord server and follow me on my Tech account. Again, both of those links will be down in the description below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like for more videos. All right, so let's jump into AMC. Obviously, we all know AMC as a stock that got squeezed up all the way up to $72, has pulled back down, had a huge pullback all the way down to almost $30. Now you can see these red lines, which is our support right here along the bottom, which again is at that $30 mark, which is support. Our first resistance, where we're almost testing right now, at $48, and our second resistance at $50, okay? So this is three areas I'm watching, and right now, because of the fact that we have bounced off support, as you can see here, multiple times. We bounced over here, we bounced a couple times here, and then we started to recover and grow back above this blue SMA line right here. You can see that we are back in an upward direction. It is because we touched the support and we bounced, and now we are clearly above this simple moving average line right here. And with all our other indicators, it shows that we are in an upward direction. Now, there's a couple things I want you guys to take into consideration before potentially buying this. First things first is our first resistance area at $48. You can see it was touched twice here and got rejected. It was touched once, twice, three times, and now today is touching a fourth time. Okay, these are daily candles, so 4 different days in the past week, maybe 2 weeks, and it's been rejected, meaning that it cannot break through this $48 area, which is causing a little bit of an issue in the short term. So what I want to see from this stock is for it to break through $48. If we get the break of 48, this will send us back to the mid 50s or even higher, okay? And because the reasoning I think of that is this is a strong resistance area right now, and if we can break through that, I think we can break through 50 easily, and then we can keep on moving higher. This has a lot of volume, a lot of momentum putting into it right now, and this is a stock that I want you guys to keep watching for a potential trade going long. So the reason as to why AMC is currently up almost 7% of the day is because of a couple of different news articles. Number one, AMC's attendance during Labor Day weekend finishes ahead of 2019 Labor Day weekend, and this was a huge comeback for the company. More than 2 million people watched movies at AMC theaters in the US alone this weekend, Thursday through Sunday, and approximately 800,000 people visited AMC international theaters in Europe and Middle East. That's huge. That's huge for the company. As a reopening company, we all knew AMC was going to do somewhat well as a reopening play. Obviously, AMC is a slowly dying company, but in this short term, there's a lot of people that are going to start going out again, and because of that, AMC is definitely the company to look out for that. And you can see right here, the numbers are proving that AMC is on a right track to success right now. The next thing you want to take into consideration is AMC stock rises again 3% this pre-market this morning after rising 34% the past 4 weeks. It was also included in an article that states that 5 short squeeze candidates are worth watching for right now for short squeeze potential. And along with that, there's a lot of unusual option alerts, a lot of bullish sentiment. That's one recently that we've been seeing from AMC. So you get the idea. A lot of news articles are coming out about it, a lot of bullish sentiment in the short term, and this is AMC. This is a short squeeze stock, and really anything that gets it going will take this to the moon. Okay, guys, AMC is definitely what I want you to keep watching for. Do your research and do your due diligence before getting into this play. I think that if we could break back above $48, I think we could send this through 50 and even higher. Okay, this is a huge meme stock that's still being talked about a lot. We have a lot of volume on this every single day. It's on many people's watch list, and AMC is a name that we shall not forget. Guys, I am not a financial advisor, so please take that as it is. Do your own research and due diligence before entering into any position. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.